Okay, what the code is going to do is it's going to each seat, let's say seat 1, seat 2, seat 3, abc slash hawk, abc dash hawk, and master seat. And if certain text, suppose I want to retrieve data from seat which contains hawk in their name, then it will go to that seat and copy certain data and paste it or merge it in master seat. Okay? So click it and it's retrieve the data. So first hawk was this abc dash hawk, and I specify the range or column and row from which the data will be retrieved. I use row 5th. Actually, I want to retrieve data from row 5 to last row and up to column. Actually, it will retrieve this data and paste it here. So let's see. Okay, I have put identifier. Suppose row 5 contains A and XX. The last row contain B and C. So check it. A, X, Y. Okay, and B, C. Okay. Next match seat was 1, 2, 3 hawk, and same criteria 5 to last. So it will copy this range. So XX and last row is XY. Then check it XX and XY. So if you want to retrieve all the data match set, then you need to specify that range. So here is the code. So the parameter of the sub procedure is keyword that I want to find out in the worksheet name. So hawk, it's case insensitive. If you want to make it case sensitive, then you need to get rid of ucase function and ucase function. And next parameter is workbook, and it's optional. If you want to keep the workbook name, then that's okay. Otherwise it will take this workbook where the code is located. And third parameter is first row, as I want to get the data from row 5. So first row is 5, and next parameter is first column. So if you want to retrieve data from row 5 and column C from this range, then you need to specify that. And if you omit this parameter, then it will, if you omit row, then it will go to the first row. If you omit column, then it will go to the first column. And next parameter, it's also optional, is last column. If you want to get all the data from this range, then you don't need to specify that. It will calculate the last row or last column from the seat, and if you specify, then it will take that specific row and column. Suppose I want to get data from column B to column H, so it will take this portion and it will paste in master sheet. So all the parameter except seat name is optional. If you put this parameter, then it will retrieve from that row or column or that range, and if you omit this parameter, then it will get all the data from that. And if your data is inconsistent means I have data here or here, then you need to use find function for calculating the last row and last column if you want to get all the data from the seat. And if your data is not inconsistent, then you can find the last row from this line. And if your data is inconsistent, then you need to use this instead of this. Thank you.